Hey everyone, this is Rick back with another video. Today I'm going to bring you Monsters Adventures. It's a play-to-earn game on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to go over the team, the tokenomics, the graphics of the game using the demo, and I'm going to also let you know how to participate in an airdrop giveaway where you can earn your chance to earn free tokens with no investment needed, and you can take part in that and do it today so that you can claim your profits for free. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do the airdrop at the end. And if you like this type of content, make sure that you smash the like button and share the video, leave a comment, and let's get into the content. So right now, Monsters Adventures, this is the main site. You will find the link in the description. It's called monstersadventures.io. On here, I have checked through their white paper. I've looked at their team. They're fully transparent. They're doing reasonably well with producing such an easy to play game with such an addictive hook. So if you've played Super Mario Brothers, you're going to feel the similarities with this game. And it has the same, more or less the same dynamics as Super Mario Brothers. And the only difference is you can earn money by playing this, which you couldn't do with Super Mario Brothers. So what we're going to do is, if you want to play the game and test it out, you can just click here and download this game. It's the beta version, it's the download, and you basically just click it, and whether you have Mac and Android or Windows, you'll have a download for whatever it is that you're using. So currently, right now, the token is available on PancakeSwap. It's trading right now at 0.27 cents. And as you can see, the prices actually had a little bit of a dump in the last 24 hours. And a lot of that is to be led. The people who get in early in these initial game offerings, they are able to sell out and get their profits. And this is what would be responsible for this little sell-off right here. I do think this is still a really good time to get into the project. As you can see, the fully diluted market cap is $2.7 million. So there's a lot of room for this little project to grow. And if you want to purchase this, you would just copy this address. You would then go to your PancakeSwap, paste it, and you would basically buy that. And as you can see, if you go down below, that it's available to buy with BNB. So there's the volume. It's got a lot of volume here on there. So that would be the preferred exchange. I do believe they're going to use Dodo very soon. There is some volume on that exchange, but I would say that the best exchange for the moment would be PancakeSwap. So that would be where you would buy it. If you don't know how to buy on PancakeSwap, make sure you check out one of my tutorials on my channel. It goes over how to buy and purchase these tokens. And also you would need to use your MetaMask to do so. If you've not got one, then you can, I have made another video which explains on how to connect to the Binance Smart Chain. And so anyway, let's just go straight into the actual project itself and look at the roadmap. And so right now, the roadmap is still at phase 1. They've just been listed on PancakeSwap and the centralized listings, which is, I'm sure they could tick these bits off because that's already been done. But if we run into phase 2, you'll see that the audit will be reviewed by CertiK on January. And that's a very, very good move, because as soon as the audit is done and completed, it's passed everything, which basically shows that there are no security issues with all this stuff. They basically, it's a verification that shows that the project has genuine intentions, and these are the things that these this sort of, the other investors, the ones that, sorry, let's just do that again, cut. So here's phase 2. Once they have the audit reviewed by CertiK, that will allow more larger investors to get their hands on some of this, because usually larger investors don't touch anything unless they have an audit. And so that's something to look forward to. I would imagine as soon as that's passed, then there would be some very, very positive price action after that point. And as you can see, they'll be doing also a launch of land NFTs in the Q2 of next year. So that'd be definitely something I'd be participating in. So, and they'll also be doing the app for Play Store and the App Store for the iPhone. So these are good things. A lot of people will be able to play this on their phone on their way to work and commuting, or even at work in between breaks. because the game itself is very easy to play, very simple, and I would imagine it'd be very good on the phone. I've only tried it out on the PC, but I do imagine this would be an easy one to do on the phone. They also have here on the phase 3 a very ambitious plan to basically have the metaverse for all monsters for all their games, and also have their own blockchain for NFTs. And they'll also have an IDO platform for play to earn games that have to use the MAT token. So these are good bullish things, very ambitious, but I do think that they do have the, they're very qualified to do so. But we'll see how this project goes through into phase 2. And after they get the audit, and then I can make another video to let you know exactly when I'm going to be purchasing the land. And I will obviously do a quick update, and you can look back on this video as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to team. So if you go to the team, you'll notice there's 9 of the people involved, and the CEO, I've already done some research on the guy. He seems very more than qualified to pull off such a project. So his ambitious dreams of pulling this up all the way to the end of the phases, I do believe this is achievable. So without doubt, I think these guys will be able to pull it off. So let's also have a look at the other options that they'll have implementing into their platform. It looks like they're going to be shining into the DeFi side. So they will have their swap, which will allow people, well, investors to do liquidity providing. So that means that they would be able to provide 2 ends to each swap, and they would get a fee for doing so, a bit like Uniswap, but this is kind of going to be like their own version. They'll also have staking, which means that you'll be able to earn interest on your assets. So you would delegate your assets, you would sign a transaction, and you would delegate your assets to this platform, and then you would be able to earn an interest, and that would be in either of the MAT token or the MAD token. And these would be this would be your rewards, your interest rewards. They also have a marketplace, which is where you'll be able to trade your NFTs, and that's another way where you can earn money. And there's, well, profits, and farming is where you can earn interest from your NFTs or on your token MAT. So let's have a look. They have 2 tokens available. They have the MAD token and the MAT token. So that's MAD and MAT. So the MAD token is the game token, which is what you earn in the game, and the MAT token is what you'd use to purchase the NFTs, and you can buy that on the decentralized exchanges for now. And yeah, so here is the marketplace, the white paper. You can have a little dive in, have a look. It explains a bit more about the tokenomics, the distribution, who's got what. But just to save you some time, that the team has about 10%. It has exactly 10%, and that's a very good amount for the team to have. And 50%, I do believe, is for the game, and the rest has been divided equally across the other areas for liquidity as well as for marketing, and it's evenly distributed in the way that seems very fair as far as tokenomics goes. So let's just go ahead and have a look at the gameplay. I've never seen anything like this before, but they do have a similar theme. So let's just go ahead and click, let's say, this sort of COVID virus type thing, and we'll use that as our character. So what we're going to do is, it's a very, very simple game. You have to collect all the letters to form the word monsters in under 2 minutes. So that's the challenge. So we're going to go ahead and do that, or try to do it. We've tried to do it so many times, failed every single time. So let's try this one time. As you can see, this is very, very similar to Super Mario's.
Game over.
Very clean, very simple, And it does have a very, very strong hook, which makes you just keep wanting to like restart the level and complete the task. And these are the things that you would look at in a game when investing. If it's addictive, easy to play, and has similarities to a previously successful game, which has done very, very well in the past, such as Super Mario Brothers. It doesn't look anything like Super Mario Brothers, but the same style of jumping over these like small little things and jumping over the blocks and hopping on to different lands and collecting stuff. It's very, very similar. Just completely different aesthetics to the game. So now here's for the interesting part. Without any investment needed and without taking too much of your time, you can actually participate in an airdrop where to get tokens for free, and you then be able to sell that and you can earn yourself some money. So there's an opportunity right here. It's a free gift. And if you can make profit from this gift, that's a bonus. This is why you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to present to you these opportunities, and make sure that you hit the bell's notification for more updates. This would allow you to get the notification as soon as it's done. Smash, make sure you like the channel and the video, and I will see you in the next video.